Hi everyone! Guess who's back riding? Checking out my favorite canyon, Azusa Canyon. And that was yesterday, 46 days exactly, after my accident on August 25th, riding Jared's bike at Angeles Crest Highway. That day was unforgettable. In fact, I still have flashes of that accident from time to time. Kinda affected my riding too, even when I ride a much bigger, safer R1250 GS Adventure. My scratches, my bruises, my wounds, those took time to heal, but they're healing fast. But ever since my fall, I have been walking with a limp, and that takes a long while for therapy to get me to 100%. Oh yes, it takes a lot of willpower, it takes a lot of exercises, it takes a lot of yourself to get yourself back on track.
It's a really nice feeling of getting back, and I love this weather too. It's just nice to be back, bro. Of course, I can't leave home without letting my sweet wife know I don't leave home anymore without wearing the proper gear. So the gear that I'm wearing right now is just double the protection. I still haven't gotten my Dainese jacket, so I'm wearing my Helite right now with the ripcord. No better now. I'm using the elbow and the arm guard, the shoulder guard that comes with the BMW leather jacket. So yeah, that's another protection that I've added.
So yeah, I wasn't kidding when I say double the protection. I'm already wearing the leather jacket by BMW with enough padding at the back and the shoulder and the forearms. But also over it, I have to wear the Helite leather airbag jacket that also has padding for the back. So imagine the pain of wearing all of that together, but at least it's tolerable in the colder season. This Helite leather airbag jacket also has a ripcord which is tethered to the frame of the motorcycle, so that when you are in a situation where you're being thrown out of the motorcycle, that ripcord deploys the airbags, which provides your protection in a fall.
Looks like I'm here. Looks like I'm here.
How about you like mid-level squat? Any pain?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, okay. How about just march in place like a high march? Let's see if you can get that knee to come up. Okay. Any problems with that?
No. Just some
Just something across the front.
thin film of flesh.
Okay. Okay. Any pain?
No.
Hard. Ready for that? Yes, and then back up. Definitely, some weakness into that area.
So 46 days.
Because what happens is, even though ligament-wise, he looked at everything
Right.
structurally, and there's no, laxity. You could have had a sprain or just a deep contusion
Correct, yeah.
because you hit directly on his knee. Did you have knee pads?
I did, but it was not enough.
Oh, so it's down. We're here for about 8 minutes, okay?
Alright. 5 minutes.
Yeah. It's the easy 5. We're gonna do a stretch. 2 more stretches after this one, then I'm gonna ice you up. There you go. Good stretch. Both your calves. Pull up the leg until you feel a good stretch in here. Alright, so 10 minutes here. Then once you're done, we'll head over to the front. You'll schedule per the doctor's order twice a week for 6 weeks.
Okay.
Look, 12 visits. If we're doing great by the halfway point, and I think you're good,
Right.
continue with home programs, then we'll just discharge you early. But it's going to be available if we need it, okay?
Okay.
So we'll see how it goes. I can't tell you for sure. You already got near full range already.
Right.
You're just off a little bit. Next time you come in, we're still going to do the range of motion stretching, but then we're going to introduce strength.
Pants from Revit. To tell you're safe from abrasions. Against the elements, it's really good. These are my Alpine Stars. I was using them during the accident and didn't get ruined, so very reliable. I'd recommend Alpine Stars for these. Leather jacket from BMW. I'm using it just because of the covering. Of course it's leather, but there's also the padding on my elbows and the shoulders.
Time to strap on my Helite. Yeah, baby, this place is good. So, be coming back twice every week starting next week. And it looks like it's gonna be a really short visit to the PT because I'm getting my whole range of motion back. That's what their assessment is. Just taking it easy right now. Okay. Those stretches were good, man. Alright. Let's try filming here. Whew. It's a nice day. It's still pretty crisp and a little cooler. 68 degrees. And yep, an hour of physical therapy. It was really beneficial for me. It was really good. Nice. Yeah, I like going to this place. It's nice to record footage. Get some clips. Got some really nice drone footage here too. Like I said, it's a pretty nice, cooler morning here from where I'm at, and just wanted to get my motorcycle skill not rusting out. Let's pay a visit to my favorite canyon. Just a little part of it. Just a little chunk. Just want to see how it feels like again. It's been 46 days. Just trying to take this all in. Getting my bearings back, getting my mojo back. Baby. Nice to be B-A-C-K. Oh yeah. Gotta love this, man. Woo-hoo!
It was a really easy day. It was not too crowded.
Hi.
Sun is up, but it's not too hot. And I get to meet these guys. They're cool. And they were waiting for each other at this same spot where I was filming. After a little bit of interaction and some introductions, I had them proceed and go up first. I decided I'm just gonna wait a little bit because I'm gonna ride my own ride.
Yep. Just want to feel the rush, man. Rush is back. Yeah. This bike has always been good to me. My GS Adventure is my ride of choice. No more switching, right, Jay? No more switching. Woo! Oh boy, I miss this place. Man, how could you not miss this place? Woo! 69 degrees. I gotta head back here, or it's gonna be really scorchy. Besides, I got a lot of things to do today. This is not in the calendar, by the way. Oh, I just want to get in the road, man. Woo! What a rush! Look at all these colors, bro. Colors. So nice, man. Need to get back early. Gotta go back. Gotta go back. Rocks, rocks, rocks. Gotta be careful. Okay, I'm just gonna turn around here. That's all, folks. Watch out for rocks. Watch out for a little gravel here and there. Yes, sir. Okay, going home. Beautiful place, man. It's my home. It's my home canyon. There's such a thing. Look at that. Wow. Whew. Streams of water. I don't know. Yeah, the camera won't be able to see that. It's not too high.
So yeah, I'm glad this is a good chapter. This is a good episode this time. So again, I'm reminding everyone, be safe, get home, enjoy the ride. I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching.